Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Kirby. Today we're going to be pan searing some salmon, and I'm going to be making a delicious, zesty, beautiful sauce to go right over it. It has a little bit of lemon, butter, and some garlic. So no further ado, let's get into the recipe. Since you're here, hit the like and subscribe button and make sure that the notification bell is ring. Check me out on social media, that way you can get notification of all my new recipes. If you would like to help support the channel, go to patreon.com Cooking with Kirby. Right there you can help support this channel. Thank you so much. We're going to be getting some really good salmon fillets, and you also want the skin on there because the skin actually has a little bit more omega-3 fatty acids. We're going to need the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. Those ingredients we're going to make our sauce. So now to our salmon fillets. We're going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil right there on the meat side, and then we're going to go ahead and season with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now we're going to oil a pan over medium-high heat. You kind of want this hot because we're going to be cooking it a little fast. So once it comes to temperature, you want to go ahead and put your salmon skin side down. You want to get a really good sear on that skin. And on this first part, we're going to be cooking it 4 to 5 minutes once you see a little pink coming up along the side of the salmon. After the 4 to 5 minutes is up, go ahead and give your salmon a flip. As you can see, the skin side doesn't cook as fast, but once you turn it over and put it on the meat side, the salmon's going to cook a lot faster. So this is probably going to be about 4 minutes of cook time on this side. After the cook time, you want to check the temperature of your salmon. The safe temperature is 145 degrees, but you can tell from the sides that it's nice and pink. That's a good indicator that it's done. While our salmon is resting, we're going to start our sauce. So in a separate pan, we're going to go ahead and melt our butter. This is on low heat. You do not want this on high. So we're going to go ahead and melt our butter. Then we're going to add in our lemon juice. So go ahead and squeeze in that whole lemon. And you don't want the seeds, so that's why I'm using a little screen. Then you want to go ahead and add your minced garlic. Now you want this to cook for about a couple minutes. You want those flavors to just blend together. So you want those oils from the garlic to mix in with that butter and the lemon juice. Then we're going to go ahead and add our heavy cream. Now the same thing with the heavy cream, but this isn't going to mix in well. So you kind of have to give it a stir and let it cook in. But once it's done though, this is an amazing sauce that goes over your salmon. But yeah, just go ahead and mix in. And then once you see that it's a nice consistent color, you want to go ahead and season with a little bit of salt and pepper. After you mixed in your salt and pepper to your sauce, right now is the best time to taste it to see if you need more seasoning. Then you want to go ahead and just serve your salmon with that sauce all over it, and go ahead and serve it with some sauteed veggies. Look at that salmon, perfectly cooked. So let's give it a taste. That sauce, when I tasted the sauce, it was right on point. Nice pink salmon, perfectly cooked. Zesty, buttery, creamy at the same time. And just so you guys can see the middle of the salmon, here I'm gonna take it apart. Cooked all the way. So 4 to 5 minutes per side, and just let it rest, and you'll have a perfectly cooked salmon. Cheers, y'all. Definitely serve it with the side of sauteed veggies. Complements pretty well. I just did it with some mushroom, asparagus, and some onions. Sauteed in a little bit of butter. Really good. Well, I got some eating to do. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button so that we can see future videos just like this and many more. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down in the comment section, and I'll get back to you shortly. As always, I'll leave the full recipe in the video description so that we can go to cookingwithkirby.com to get the full printable recipe. Oh yeah, I got these recipes. They're really good, and you should try them out. Now y'all be beautiful, and take care.